Your lab sucks without this microscope. Zoom to 2500x and slay science like a boss. Let's be real, microscope struggle is so 2010. You're peering into a budget scope, squinting like you just woke up, trying to see something, anything, beyond the blur. The focus knobs are twitchier than a squirrel on espresso, and the lighting? About as useful as a candle in a blackout. Whether you're grinding through bioclass, prepping for clinical rounds, or chasing the next great discovery, nothing kills your momentum like unreliable, outdated gear that leaves you stuck, slow, and second-guessing your entire major. Then it gets worse. Deadlines creep closer while you're still fiddling with stage adjustments like a rookie. Your neck's sore, your patience is gone, and your quick session just turned into a 3-hour descent into microscope-induced madness. Data collection gets sloppy, image quality tanks, and that research breakthrough starts looking more like a reschedule for next semester. You've got the drive, but your equipment is gatekeeping your greatness. You deserve better. Way better. Cue the AmScope B120 Series, your lab's new MVP. This beast packs 40x to 2500x magnification, LED fly-eye lens brilliance, and a comfy Siedentopf head that feels like first class for your eyeballs. Whether you're dissecting live cells or flexing with 5MP digital snapshots, this microscope gives you crystal clarity, crazy comfort, and pro-level control. It's got achromatic lenses, smooth mechanical stage action, and a USB cam that plugs your genius right into your PC. No more squinting. No more rage-spinning turrets. Just straight-up science domination. You'll feel the upgrade instantly. Zoom in with military-grade precision. Swap between 6 magnification levels without the where's the focus game. Save hours by streamlining your workflow. LED lighting reveals details you never thought you'd see, like bacteria throwing a block party. Every session feels productive. Every click? Satisfying. Whether you're a med student, a bio geek, or the next Nobel hopeful, this microscope levels you up, fast. Oh, and that neck pain? Gone, mate. Don't let another semester, or specimen, pass you by. Grab the AmScope B120 Series and turn frustration into fascination. It's not just a microscope, it's your ticket to clarity, confidence, and crushing your goals. The future of science is microscopic. And it's calling your name. Click add to cart and let the magic unfold, cell by cell, slide by slide.